Alright, today I got a pretty exciting video. This one is actually going to be on the 2021 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. I got this beautiful model here, 2021 Q60 Red Sport. It's in a Slate Grey Color, which is kind of new to the Nissan Infiniti lineup. So we're going to make a quick video on the outside of the car, and then we're going to start test driving it, get you a point of view experience for this brand new car. Cool little fun fact about this car, I actually do drive one of these cars myself. It's a 2017 model. It's in a pearl white color, so it's got those pearls in the white color, if you see it. It's interesting that my 2017 model is actually the same body style as this new version of it. Pretty interesting how they didn't change that up, but nonetheless it's still an awesome car. Coupe edition, Red Sport. You can see the red brakes right here. Those are on the Red Sport version only. I love the car personally, so I have no problem driving it. It's an awesome car, awesome coupe car, plenty of space for one or two people for sure. Of course, it's a coupe, you're not really going to fill the backseat with people more often than not. So I'm pretty excited to drive this car, the brand new 2021 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. So now we're going to go take it for a test drive, check it out, see what it looks like to drive one of these cars. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna test drive the car. Cool thing about this one, it's got the ambient lighting at the bottom, so it kind of stands out at nighttime. Got the light underneath the car. Got the white interior. Push the start button, of course. Brand new 2021. Got the sticker right here. Do a little nighttime test drive on the car. Paddle shifters, of course. Got all your safety features. You can get a blind spot lane departure, backup camper, backup sensors. You also got heated seats down here, pretty convenient. You also got heated steering wheel too, you can get on the car. You check it right over here. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. You also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can put on these newer model versions. I think it happened in the 2019 or 2020s where they got Apple CarPlay standard. So that's another cool thing. Carbon fiber. I'll show you right here. Carbon fiber interior on the Red Sport models. Mine's actually blue, which is kind of interesting on the year. I don't really see many blue carbon fiber versions on it. We got the red stitching, of course, which kind of stands out pretty nice. So here we go. Cars don't even have the dual touchscreen. They obviously got the one touchscreen or the giant touchscreen, but they don't got the two monitors with your radio options, and then you have your navigation options at the top. So it kind of keeps them two separate, so you have two screens, which most cars do not. They only have one. So that's a pretty big selling point for me personally as a consumer, that their infotainment system's up to date and you got two screens. I'm gonna change it to sport mode so we can get some better throttle sensitivity, acceleration. Put it in manual mode. Try to get some speed on the car. But my perspective, you can hear it a lot more louder, obviously, because it's on the sport mode. downshift it. Be honest with you, it's a lot more fun when it's in manual mode. You use the paddle shifters, you use the paddle down here to shift it in gears, make it a driving better experience. Downshift it again. You can hear it a whole lot better. It just makes it actually sound like a real sports car when you have it like this. There we go. So just wanted to make a quick outro to this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. POV test drive on the 2021 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. Slate Grey Color, white interior. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about this car to answer on my car or this car in general. This is an awesome car to me. It feels super nice. This color, brand new color to the Infiniti cars, is super clean. So if you're thinking about picking up one of these, get it in this color. Please let me know what other kind of questions or comments you might have. Put them in the comment box. Other than that, please like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed. And that's it. Peace.